Hey everybody, this is Lynette, YCB Lady, and I am here doing a tag video for Fluffy 7285, what do you collect video? I'm sorry. So this is what I collect, people. I collect albums, yes. A lot of these, I have some albums that were passed down from my mother-in-law. She collected albums, and I took on that charge after she passed, so this is what it is. I have a bunch of albums over here. All of these albums at one time were in alphabetical order. I painstakingly put all of these in alphabetical order, and over time, over me playing them or whatever, I never really put them back where they belong, so that's where you get that stack from right there. But everything else inside the metal crates, yes, the metal crates are still in alphabetical order, and I got some of everything. Anything you can imagine, jazz, house, deep house, R&B, there's some classical in here, there's some movie soundtracks in here, you name it, I got it. That record player right there, my husband bought for me a couple of anniversaries ago, and it's a record player on the inside of there. It plays, that's my phone on top of there. I'm listening to some music through my phone. But anyway, the record player's in here, and there's a tape player on the side, CD player, AM radio, FM radio, all that is on there. And has a hookup where I can play my iPod or iPhone music or whatever. So that is that. And like I said, I got some of everything. You name it, I got it. Recently, I've been playing these albums. I've just been in the mood for some of this stuff. Eddie Kendricks, got some spinners here, got some Fazo. I know y'all don't know who that is, you may, but they sing that song Riding High, which I friggin' love. It's a Stepper's cut. Some more spinners, some Commodores. I got it all. Got me some Luther, Luther Vandross. I love this album. It's a classic. The Barge, you name it, I pretty much got it. Chaka Khan, Earth, Wind & Fire, which is my absolute favorite group, period, ever. I'm just saying. Okay. More Chaka, got some Phyllis Hyman in there, some more Commodores, Sheila E., some Patty, I got a lot of Patty, Prince, you name it, I got it. Who is this? This is Evelyn Champagne King, hey, alright. Here's some more Earth, Wind & Fire. Some more spinners. I mean, I've just been in the spinners mode lately, so that's what I pulled out. This is my favorite album by Stevie Wonder. This is Songs in the Key of Life. Favorite album, period. And I go to this place in Hyde Park. Who is this? Renee and Angela. I know y'all know this. Renee and Angela. Y'all remember that? Love that. Anyway, I go to this place in Hyde Park. I'm in Chicago, Illinois, so I go to this place called Hyde Park Records. Here's Chaka Khan and Rufus. So I got everything. I mean, absolutely everything. And I should have over 1,000 albums now. And I have another long black crate, which has maybe like a couple of hundreds in it. It's very long and wooden black crate. I'm in my basement, and my basement is unfinished, so that's why I keep everything. I'll be down here working. So this is it. So if you all have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that I showed you, please don't hesitate. Leave it down below. Peace.